In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Litefinance account to MT5. Click and log into your Litefinance app. So it will bring you to a page like this. Now you are going to select the trading account that you want to make use of it in order to connect it to your MT5. You can also change the trading account by coming to the middle part, click on it. So this is a real account, you can see it here. Click this three dash that you are seeing, click on it. You will see account information. You can now click on the account information. We have our login number, we have our server, Litefinance MT5 Live. We have it here. And then our password is hidden. I created this password while I was creating and verifying my Litefinance account. So if you can remember it, then use the password that you used when you were creating that Litefinance account before verifying it. You are going to make use of that. But if you cannot remember it, just click on this change password, then enter your password. This is the password you are going to use to connect to your MT5. So I will enter that, then we will proceed. And like I always say, anytime that you enter your password, click this eye icon to open it for you to see whether what you type is correct. Then close it back. Then you can now repeat the password again to make sure that what you type, the two are correct. Open it again and check so they are correct, then click on continue. So I have successfully changed the MT5 trading password now. So let me copy the login number, click this icon to copy it. Then we will now go to our MT5. Click and log into your MT5. So whether you are on the chart or on the quotes, is still the same. At the top left hand corner, you will see these three horizontal bars. Click on it and you will see manage account. Click on manage accounts and you will see a plus sign at the top right hand corner. You can click on it, or if it's your first time of using MT5, you will see a plus sign in the middle. Anywhere you see the plus sign is for adding an account to your MT5. Just click on that plus sign and you are going to type under this search bar. I am going to type Litefinance. So we see we have Litefinance here. This blue one that you are seeing written Litefinance. So this is the one we are going to use. It was not Litefinance MU. It was simply Litefinance. So we will select this one and we will now go under the server, click and select Litefinance MT5 that was given to us. Our login number is the one I copied, so I will paste it here. And the trading password I told you is the one you will be asked to create when you are creating and verifying your Litefinance for the first time. That trading password is required. Or if you even want to create a new trading account when you have already verified your account, still you will be required to create a trading password. It is that password that you are going to make use of it, or the one that we just changed the trading password just now. Click login. So we can see we have successfully connected our Litefinance trading account to MT5. Any balance you have will be shown to you here. You can come to the lower left hand corner where the codes are. These are the codes available for you to trade. So if you don't need them, you want to add new ones, you make use of this plus sign and click on it. And from here you can see the classic one because it is the classic that you are using. So click on this one. So you can see it will open this up for you. They have about 63 cryptos. So if you want to add anyone, just simply click on it. I can click on the crypto. Any crypto that you want, just simply click this plus sign. It will be added to you. And when you click the back button here, it will take you back, and when you go down you will see all the ones that you just added are here. If you don't need anyone such as this EuroZar and this GBP NOK, you can just simply click this pencil icon at the top right hand corner and then select them by first clicking on this dustbin icon. Then you will now select them, this GBP NOK and then this Eurozar, and then by the time you click on the dustbin icon again, it will delete it for you. Click this back button at the top left hand corner and you'll see that the Eurozar has been taken off. If you want to add any other one again, just click the plus sign again, select whichever type of one that you want, or just use this bar at the top here. Let's say we want to add GBP USD. You see it here. Then you will now click the plus sign, and then if I want to add XAU USD, I will now add it as well. So when you go back, you see GBP USD has been added, XAU USD has been added. If I want to take this gold to the top, I can make use of this pencil icon. Click the pencil icon, then scroll and then tap these horizontal bars that are 4. Tap it and drag it to the top and then release it. When you click the back button, you will see gold has been added and is at the top. By the time you click and hold any one you want, go to the chart of that one, it will take you to the chart. So this one is for gold. We are at the chart of gold right now. And if you want to still switch to another pair again, this top left hand part where there's a drop down icon, the name is in blue. Click and then select whichever one. Let me go back to the chart of GBP USD. You will see it here. If you want to take any trade, make use of these blue and red buttons if you have funded your account, and you can begin trading with it. So with this, I have shown you how you can connect your Litefinance trading account directly to your MT5 mobile app and you can begin trading with it. If you have any other question regarding linking your Litefinance trading account to MT5, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.